Let's go ahead and start with this one. Orange and black box here. What could it be? It definitely has an odd shape to it, not a shape that we see very often. I have the BIBURY 0 doing the honors, made in good old US of A with milled aluminum utility blade here. Again, links to all these down below, so you guys can check out prices, availability, and variants. But without further ado, let's see what's in here. What is Nextool up to? 2026 Happy New Year from Nextool. That's very nice of them. Thank you, much appreciated. Then we have, we got quite the swagger here. Hold the phone. We got quite a bit to go through here. It looks like 2 products in one. All right, so we have the Nextool S0, and it has the black and orange pattern, right, for lack of a better word. And then we have another tool here, right? This one is the K30. Now, what's interesting is we checked out these in the channel recently, but obviously not with this colorway, so we'll check that out in a moment. We also have a black and orange, right, little EDC bag here. So we have a zipper pouch in the back. Then we have a buckle, little strap right here. And again, I really like the sort of black and orange combo. Then we have all kinds of Velcro little patches here. I'd love to see that. All kinds of Nextool oriented. Explore the outdoors, always ready. Nextool, create, or Nextool, everyday carry, lifestyle, anywhere. That is the S0 scissors right there. And it's actually pretty nice, right? Got room here for 1 knife, right? Room here for a flashlight, right? Or 2 knives, or 2 multi-tool, a much bigger pocket back over here. All right, looking pretty nice. We'll come back to this guy later in the video and see if we can stash a few items on there. Definitely going to come handy for like a ready pack, or just one that maybe you can throw in your car or what have you, just to have a set of tools ready at your disposal at any given time. But let's take a quick rapid fire look at the S0. The S0 is, drumroll please, a nice, very easy to carry. And am I going to say tactical? Yeah, just why not? Let's throw tactical in there. Tactical scissors, if you would. They have the little micro teeth. Helps trap material as you cut. So that helps the cut there pretty well when going through material. We will be doing a scientific cutting test later in the video. They are, right, kind of give you the spring feel, right? Spring loaded as they return back to the open position, making it easier and easier to use. And the fact that they fold in such a tiny package, nice and easy to throw on your keychain or what have you, so you always have scissors with you on the go. That's nice. You can also put it on your backpack strap or what have you. On the outside, we have a Phillips head screwdriver tool along with a cross diamond pattern file out here. These are non-locking, by the way, so kind of have a back spring similar to a slip joint. Opposite from that, we have the flathead, also with a bottle opener and a much smaller flathead here as well. So you have 2 different types or 2 different sizes. And then also from the opposite side here, we have some pair of tweezers. So very convenient pair of tweezers. Tweezers on the opposite side. This is a very small but very functional small package. Right, the whole thing is so narrow. Actually, we'll get the calipers out here. We're looking at 0.22, not even a 1/4 of an inch in thickness. And obviously it's a little bit wide, but I do like that it's kind of, yeah, very, very narrow there. On the side profile, the S0 scissors. How well do they cut cardboard? Again, just thinking of different materials that we have readily available. So, hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Either this one or this one. Peace.